Hello guys again. Many people are interested in hacking, but also many people don't have laptop or computer, which make them use terminal emulator on smartphones like TRMX to practice and learn hacking. But sometimes people who have just started using TRMX, they don't understand some commands, its functions and their usage, which make them leave things like hacking, thinking of its complexity. In my videos too, there are some basic commands that I use, but people don't understand the commands and then they keep asking easy things repeatedly in the comment section. So in this video I will tell about some needed commands of TRMX, which will reduce or end your confusion and difficulties using any command line interface. So let's start the video without any delay. This command shows the machine name you are working on. And if we type your name and it shows some more info about device. pwd. This command is just to check the current directory or location you are working on. ls command is used for listing the contents of a directory, and you can also see hidden file by adding a to it. And there are many other commands that can be used with ls command for different actions. cp command is used to copy file or folder from one directory to another in the system. If you are moving any file, you have to use f before the file name, and if you are copying any folder, you have to use r before folder name, and lastly add the path destination to copy them. The same way mv command is used to move any file or folder to a particular directory. Just use mv command instead of cp and that's it. Touch command is to create a file, mostly used by coders to create empty txt, html, py or any language format to start coding. Echo command is mostly used to insert any text message to any empty.txt file without using any text editor tool. As you can see here, I am inserting random message to the txt file that I created. Basically, this is a command for creating or viewing any text files. Unzip, as the name itself says, it's used to unzip the zip files. Just type unzip and the file name and hit enter, and file will be unzipped or decompressed. apt-get or pkg are package manager for Linux machine or TRMX to install supported tools and packages. And if you're a root user, you have to add sudo before it. Git clone is the most needy command on a Linux terminal, because it's used to download tools or scripts from the GitHub or GitLab. And any common Linux user knows about it very well. This command is to make any file or program executable. As you can see here, after executing the program, it appears in green color in TRMX. This is another command similar to unzip command, used to untar any .tar compressed file. mkdir command is to create a new directory, or you can say folder, on any Linux terminal. This is the command to check internet connection between your device and server. Ping is here the same thing that you notice when you're playing the game PUBG that you see in the down left corner of your mobile screen. Du command is to check the disk usage, means it shows all folders and files in just a single command. RM stands for remove, and this command is used to delete or remove files and directory in any Linux system. ifconfig stands for interface configuration. It is used to view and change the configuration of the network interfaces on your system. These two commands are used to clear the terminal screen. Basically, it brings the command line to the top, which makes the terminal look clean. Ctrl+C command is to interrupt the current processes running in the foreground. Screen fetch is a tool that displays device logo with its hardware info. So guys, these were some basic commands that every beginner must know about. And if you guys want me to tell you more commands for TRMX, just tell me in the comment section.